Hi! In this lecture, we will learn about adding links to our website. So on my left, I have this brackets code editor with a simple HTML file with basic structure, and on my right, I have this Chrome window with live preview. Adding links to the web page is very easy, and for that, we use the anchor element. There are three kinds of links. First links are the links which go to some section of the same page. For example, this is my website, thecodinggirls.com, and when I scroll down, you can see there are a number of sections. So when I click here, it takes me to another section on the same page. The second category is for links, which take you to another page of same website. For example, if I click on this link, it takes me to another page of the same website. And thirdly, there are links which take you to other websites. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. So in order to add the link, let me add the anchor element by writing a element. The main attribute of this element is href attribute, and I will give it the value of youtube.com. Then we need to add the link text which will be shown to the users. In this case, I'll write go to YouTube. Okay, now I will click on this link. You see that the web page of the YouTube has opened. You would have noticed that the YouTube website has been opened in the same tab. In case you want to open it in a new tab, you need to give it another attribute, which has the name of target. And the value should be _blank. Now when I click this, you can see that it has opened a new tab. Let me make another file by going to left pane, right click and select new file. I will name it as about.html and write h1 element and add the value about us. I will make an anchor element with the href equal to index.html and the link text to be go to index.html. Similarly, go to index.html file and add another anchor element with href equal to about.html and write the link text as go to about us. Now, when I click on this link, it takes me to the About Us page. And when I click on this link, it takes me back to the index.html file. Please note that I have not added the target attribute with this anchor text because it is going to the same website. I can add the target blank here, but it will open multiple tabs and it will be a bad user experience. That's all for links. Thanks for watching.